Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookie dough from scratch. First, gather your ingredients: 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. You'll also need 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth dough. Now, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar. Beat this mixture until it becomes light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, crack in your large egg and add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients until they are just combined, being careful not to overmix. For the next step, grab a separate bowl and whisk together your 2 1/2 cups of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing on low speed. Continue to mix until a soft, cohesive dough forms. It's important not to overmix at this stage, as it can make your cookies tough. Once your dough is ready, divide it in half, flatten each portion into a disc, and wrap them tightly in plastic wrap. Chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or even up to 2 days. This chilling process makes the dough much easier to roll out and prevents spreading during baking. When you're ready, roll it to about 1/4 inch thickness and cut your shapes. Remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.